Now let's configure shipping, tax, and the documents you'll create from each job. In Settings, open Tax and Shipping. Begin with Minimum Base Shipping. This establishes the lowest production shipping cost the tool will use, even when the calculated amount is lower. Next is the DTF Shipping Multiplier. This setting helps keep the production comparison fair when your Screen Print and DTF vendors have different shipping advantages. For example, imagine that you and your customer are on the West Coast. Your Screen Print vendor is also on the West Coast, but your DTF vendor ships from the East Coast. A multiplier above 1 allows the comparison to recognize the additional freight involved in choosing DTF. If the geography works in reverse, and DTF shipping should cost less, use a multiplier below 1. A value of 1 leaves the base shipping estimate unchanged. If DTF is turned off, this setting stays out of the way, while its saved value remains available for later. Customer shipping markup controls how the selected production shipping cost carries on to the customer's document. 100% passes through the estimated cost. A higher percentage adds shipping margin. Then choose whether shipping should appear on customer quotes and whether it should be billed on supplier purchase orders. When PO shipping is turned off, the shipping details remain visible, but the billed amount becomes 0. Next, enter your tax rate. Choose whether apparel, decoration, and shipping should enter the taxable subtotal. These settings establish your normal tax treatment. For each individual job, the applied tax switch remains the master control. Turn it off when the order should not include tax. Additional items such as design fees, banners, or rush charges can be marked taxable individually. Now open Documents and Payments. Under Purchase Orders, choose whether the supplier should bill you for the blank apparel. If you provide the blanks yourself, turn this off. The apparel will remain listed on the PO at $0 and will be identified as broker supplied. You can also include additional items on the PO when you want it to function as a more complete internal work order. Under Accepted Payments, add any payment destinations you want shown on customer quotes and unpaid invoices. A public payment link creates a clickable option and the QR code. You can also upload a payment provider's own QR code. The Production Quote tool displays these payment options, but it does not process or track the payment. Back on the calculator, choose the customer document's current stage: quote, invoice, or paid. The document button updates automatically, while apparel jobs can also create a separate purchase order for the selected production method. Configure these defaults once, then adjust tax, shipping, and document status only when a particular job requires it.